going on, Branches family? It's Mr. Sam, and today I'm going to be actually showing you guys how to do something a little simple, a little cool, and a little tasty. So let's come on over to the table, and you're going to see, you guessed it, we're making Rice Krispie treats. And so it's going to be really simple. I have everything you're going to need laid out on the table. You're going to need, obviously, your Rice Krispies. 6 cups of Rice Krispies. If you don't have a measuring cup, you can just go ahead and use a 8.5 ounce cup, just the normal carton cups that I'm sure a lot of you guys have at home. Make sure that's in a bowl. You're gonna need that. Definitely gonna need that for later. And then you're gonna need your marshmallows. I personally use the mini ones because they melt easier. You can use the jumbo ones, you can use the normal size ones. It's all cool. Just get that 10-ounce bag, and if you want to know when you're buying it, it says 10 ounce on the bag. And then from here you're going to need a baking pan. I use the 9x9, the 9 square. You can need a pot. Saucepans work too, but I just like using a deeper pot when you have to mix everything. You're going to need your salt, your vanilla extract. You can get imitation, or you can get the pure. You can use Pam. Sprinkles are optional, and you're going to need at least 3 tablespoons of butter. So this is everything you're going to need. Let's get right into it. Alright you guys, so I hope you're ready because we're about to get started with the first step, which is, actually, the first step should be washing your hands. I've already done that, but in case you haven't, go ahead and pause the video and get those hands washed. At least 20 seconds, make sure they're all clean, and come back. So let's pause. And we're right back into it. I hope you guys actually went to go wash your hands, or else that makes this part of the video really awkward. And so the first thing we're going to be doing is actually using our Pam spray here, or if you just have normal butter or margarine, you can actually use that to line the baking pan you're about to use and line the pot you're about to use. I actually got the pot back there. It's starting to heat up under medium heat. Make sure that you actually get enough of the Pam or your butter onto the sides of the pan so that the Rice Krispies and everything you're about to use doesn't stick to the sides. So I've got that sprayed. You can just use original Pam, you can use the baking pan, or you can use your normal butter. It's all good. You'll just take the butter out and rub it along the sides. If you guys have baking history, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. So like I said, I've actually got that running on medium heat back there. And so what I'm gonna go do now is I'm actually gonna take my vanilla extract and 3 tablespoons of butter. And so you can see here, I've already cut them into 3 tablespoons. And if you want, actually cut them into smaller bits. So I cut the 3 tablespoons using the line to divide that, and then I've cut that into 3 pieces. So if you actually come over here with me, you just sit that in there. And while that's starting to actually heat up, I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the butter away. And you're going to split those up with either a knife, a spoon, spatula, and let those start melting. Like I said, it's only medium heat, so you don't have to have it so hot that it starts to sizzle and boil. You only want it hot enough that it starts to melt. So as you guys see, it's already fully melted. It didn't even take a full minute, and it's already down to just a liquid form. So from there, you go ahead and you add in your 10 ounces of marshmallows. And this is your last chance. If you want to eat any, take them now. And you just pour that right on in there. And if you're doing everything to the right proportions, 6 cups, then you should be able to use the entire bag of marshmallows and everything will turn out right. And what you want to do here is just keep on mixing, just keep mixing, just keep mixing, just keep mixing, mixing, mixing. What do you do when it starts to melt you? You are melting! Oh, melting, melting, melting! And so right here, you guys actually can see that it's getting pretty melted to the point where it's just goobity, 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 goobity. It's not done yet, but you keep mixing till you see no more clumps and it's just actually one nice, smooth, consistent cream. And you can see that because I sprayed the Pam on the side of the bowl, it's actually, or pot, it's actually not sticking to the side like it would. If you don't put butter or Pam or something to keep it lubricated, it's gonna stick to the side. You're gonna lose a lot of your marshmallows on the side of the pot. So make sure you put something to keep it from sticking. So you guys can see it's all gooped now, no clumps in there, no more marshmallows. It's all back to just one big cream. And so we're gonna take this over to the table where we're gonna continue. Make sure you cut your oven off or your stove top and you make your way back over where we have everything back on the table. Here's where you're gonna add a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just to give it some flavor. Boom, perfect. Ooh, look at the bubbles, look at the bubbles. And from there, you're gonna go and add your pinch of salt. This is kosher. I don't know what that really means, but I bought it. And that's me using it for the first time. And you just mix that in. So you want to be mixing pretty quickly now because your heat is no longer under the stove, under the pot. Just mix that vanilla extract in there, mix it with salt, and you have your creamy texture. And before it cools, you go ahead and you add your Rice Krispies. That there. And now you're gonna add all of your Rice Krispies, your 6 cups, right in there. Boom, perfect size pot. And that's why it's important to use the right size pot. And you just mix that up. Mix it good. Make sure it's all mixed in there well. And get it off the bottom of the pot. That's really important, or else you're gonna have some that's clumped up and some that's just sitting there, not clumping at all. Oh no! So you see here how the Rice Krispies are sticking to the spoon? It would have been helpful if I actually sprayed the spoon as well with Pam, but that's just a live and learn experience. So mixing. And here, I'm gonna go ahead and add my sprinkles. Sprinkles from Walmart. You can get whatever types of sprinkles you want, or you can actually add in different things. Maybe some M&Ms, chocolates, Hershey's. What am I using sprinkles for? Here, it's not really a measurement. You just sprinkle as much as you'd like, responsibly. And you mix that in. Give it a little pizzazz. And see how like the pan isn't sticking to the, the pan made it so that the Rice Krispies don't stick to the side either. If only I'd sprayed it on my spoon. And so now it's actually starting to harden up. And what you want to do is make sure you have something on the side. Scrape your extra off. There you go. And we're going to move this over to the last step, which is your baking pan. And so like I said, this should already be sprayed from the beginning, but just so we make sure it's not going to stick to the side, give it a nice spray again, or you should have somebody help you out and wipe down the sides with butter. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. And remember, this is a 9x9 square baking pan, and I think it's 1.5 inches tall. Scrape out all your gushy Rice Krispies. So get all that out, and here is actually a little tip. I saw this on like one of the videos. At this point, it's usually pretty hard to mush it down without sticking to the spoon. And so if it is, scrape it all off. And spray the spoon with that. And then use that. Look at that. And nothing sticks to the back of the spoon. And you just smush it into place. You can use your hands to spray your hands and mush it into place, but it is a little hot. Not that hot, it's warm. And so you want to be careful with that. And so here, to get my perfect corners, I'm using the spoon, the edge of the spoon, to make those edges straight. So after I've used my spoon, or you can actually pan spray your hands and just mash it down. I didn't do that because the spoon worked pretty well. And so you can see now, it's just perfectly leveled. And you can even hear it snack, crackle, and pop. And so because I added my little sprinkles in there, you can see there's some little colors here and there, not too much. But if you wanted to, you could actually add a lot more sprinkles and it would give it a lot more color, or even add some food coloring to your marshmallow batter. And that would have been really cool. But this is it. This is the final and last step. You just let it cool. All right, you guys. So it's finally cooled and I'm excited. So we're gonna take a little knife over here and we're gonna come and give it a nice little cut. Oh, this is why I love these 9x9 pans, because they come out thicker. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh, let's give it a taste test. I'm excited, I'm excited. No, that's busting. That's no.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That is actually really good. I don't know if it's I think it's vanilla extract. That's just amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed yours. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any comments, leave a comment down below on Instagram just to see what you want differently. If you want to try something new, if you have any questions on the things that I use, leave a comment and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. Make sure you like, comment, engage. And if you guys actually want to see me do another one, who knows, we might actually do another one. Add some, I don't know, birthday cake toppings. It's all up to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys have a great time. Bye!